Hey guys, Benji here with Hiking with the Buseys. Today I'm going to be opening this Sawyer insect repellent. It's called Sawyer Premium Insect Repellent Clothing, Gear, and Tent Trigger Spray. That's a mouthful, but this is what you will put on your clothes if you go out on a backpacking trip or something, if you want to keep ticks off of you or other bugs. So let's open it up, put it all together, and maybe even spray it on some clothes to see how it does. So it comes just like this. This is how I got it from Amazon. And it's wrapped in a plastic. Take that off here. And it's actually Permethrin is the insect repellent that's inside this. So it treats 5 complete outfits. And an outfit, it says, is like a shirt, pants, socks, everything like that. So let's open it up. There's no foil or anything on here, it's just ready to go. So we just put our trigger in there, the little hose on the trigger. We are good to go. The trigger has a little X for it's not gonna shoot, nothing's coming out, and then you can spray it here. Now it's good to go. So let's lay some clothes out. Let's try it out. Here's my pants that I like to take backpacking. I'm just gonna give them a good spray down, especially on the legs. I'm gonna flip it over, hit the back side. And there you have it. Pretty easy peasy. All right, so I just got done spraying my pants over here. It says to spray from about 6 to 8 inches away, and it wants you to treat an entire outfit, which it says is a complete outfit consists of a shirt, trousers or pants, and socks. So 30 seconds you should be able to spray your pants, your shirt, and your socks all together. So that's about how wet it should get. It says this whole bottle should do 5 complete outfits. And this lasts for 6 washes. Now, yeah, it treats 5 outfits, and you can wash your clothes 6 times and it'll still be good. After your 6th time, you want to redo it. Or it says 42 days. After 42 days or 6 washes, respray your outfit. So, looking forward to this. I hate ticks, so good job, Sawyer.